So you take a lot of pictures, huh? You have friends, brothers, sisters, moms, dads, aunts, uncles, grandma, grandpas, dogs, cats, everyone wanting to take a picture with you, and they expect you to be photogenic. But you don't know how. Here at Guy Maverick, we come up with a few ways to help you look your best in photos, so let's get rolling. What's up, team, and welcome back to Guy Maverick. I'm Eric, founder of GuyMaverick.com and the Guy Maverick YouTube channel. We are back with a video on how to make you look your best in photos. So you take pictures, you smile, and you don't realize it till after, but you end up looking like this. There are three main things to keep in mind when posing for a picture. They're the tilt of your head, the wideness of your smile, and the position of your body. Here's an example. Check me out like this. So I'm standing straight at you. I have my face tilted slightly down at a 45-degree angle, and my eyes looking directly at you and smiling. Tell me how I look. A little creepy, huh? I think so too. But check this out. What if I take my body and I tilt it slightly to the right? Now, check this out. See what that does? Because I'm not focusing all my energy towards you, I'm focusing most of my energy this way and part of my energy towards you. So it lessens the creepy factor and lessens the anxiety or the weirdness that you tend to get with those kinds of shots. The next thing is the head tilt. So you don't want to tilt your head too low to where you look creepy, but you don't want to tilt it too high to where you look like a kid. Here's an example of both. Now here's a good tilt of the head. Here's how I find that sweet spot when tilting my head. So what I do is two different things. Either I'll start at a 45-degree angle, I'll work my face up to about right there, and then I'll move my eyes towards the camera, I'll smile. Or I'll do the opposite. I'll smile more comfortably, which actually is cheesier and makes me look like a little kid, and then I'll tilt my head downwards, like this. Now there's a pretty solid gray area within that head tilting situation where you can kind of play around with. Now we're going to talk about the smile. Now I've seen a lot of people, they smile with no teeth. It looks something like this. Now compare that to when I smile like this. One of those looks like a more genuine smile than the other. Can you guess which one it is? Now quick pointer, it's always good to pose away from the camera. What I mean is I'll stand with the camera straight like this, and then I'll move my body either this way or this way. You'll find out which side works for you. You just tend to feel more comfortable with that side. Me, I don't know if it's because I have a part on the left side, because I'm left-handed, I don't know, but this way and doing it like this makes you feel more comfortable. Now there are a few things to avoid when posing or smiling for a photo. Smiling too wide, tilting your head too far in either direction, and allowing your eyes to look dead. What I mean is, look at this picture. First of all, I'm using no teeth to smile at all. That's the first issue. Secondly, my eyes look like they're glazed over. They're not telling a story. They're not saying that I want to be there. Now, there are a few other options besides just smiling. You can furrow your eyebrows. Keep a straight face. And face down, eyes up. Now those three poses convey different messages. For instance, furrowing your brow adds an air of mystery to the individual. You're not really smiling, it's kind of like you're thinking about something, or you're interested, or something has caught your eye, so it adds that sense of mystery and cool. Straight faced, you're seeing those in like your grandparents or great grandparents' pictures before anybody ever smiled. You're really just saying, I'm here, either I don't want to be here, or I'm old school and traditional, so straight face. And then face down, eyes up. That's kind of like you were looking something at the ground, they told you to smile and pose for a picture, so as they were taking the shot, you looked up and you smiled at the camera. Now notice the way I'm positioning my body in all those scenarios. Face down, eyes up. If I'm doing it like this, you got the creepiness factor. But adding that warmth, the energy goes this way, part energy goes that way. Face down, eyes up, it adds a bit more character to the smile and to the pose. Same thing with furrowing the brow. Energy that way, partial energy this way. Now yes, you can get braces or whiten your teeth or whatever it is to fix your smile, but in all actuality, just be comfortable with who you are and what you got. Thanks for watching my video on how to look your best in photos. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below or direct message me on YouTube or Instagram at ThatGuyMaverick. Don't forget to visit www.guymaverick.com for more information about this video. Check out the channel for other related videos like this. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell right up there so you don't miss any new videos coming from this channel. You guys have been a great audience. Hope to see you next week. And don't forget, if you can dream it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.